Hey man, let's break down a concept that most guys are too scared to even think about, making her doubt her value in your eyes. Now, before you jump to conclusions, this isn't about being toxic, manipulative, or playing games to hurt someone. It's about reclaiming your power in a dynamic where most men are constantly giving it away. See, the truth is, attraction isn't just about how much she likes you, it's about how much she thinks you value her, and more importantly, how uncertain she is about it. When a woman knows that you're all in, when she feels 100% secure, when she senses no mystery or challenge, what happens? The emotional thrill dies, the chase ends, the spark fades, but when she starts to question where she stands with you, when she wonders how much she matters in your world, that's when she becomes emotionally invested. That's when you flip the switch in her mind from comfort to curiosity. And curiosity is the seed of obsession. So how do you do it? It starts with one simple truth. You don't pedestal her, you don't put her above you, you don't treat her like a goddess just because she's attractive. You maintain the mindset that you're the prize. You move like a man who has options, even if you don't say it out loud. Your energy says, I like you, but I don't need you, and I'm not afraid to walk away. That alone plants the first seed of doubt. She starts wondering, wait, does he see me the way other guys do? Does he think I'm special, or is he not fully sold on me yet? That's not cruelty, man. That's the emotional tension that fuels attraction. If she's thinking about how to impress you, how to hold your attention, how to earn your time, you've already won. Now let's take it deeper. Start being unpredictable. Don't always reply instantly. Don't always initiate. Don't always validate. Let her feel your presence sometimes, and your absence other times. Let her sit with silence. Let her wonder why your energy shifted. That silence, that pause, that's the space where she chases. Remember, a woman's mind spirals when things feel uncertain. She replays conversations, she analyzes your behavior, she talks to her friends, and all of that mental energy, it means you're in her head. And when you're in her head, you're halfway to her heart. Another key move, stop complimenting her constantly. Yeah, it feels nice to say she's beautiful or sexy, but guess what? She's heard it 1,000 times. What she hasn't heard, silence. What she hasn't felt, your indifference. When she's used to guys falling over themselves to worship her beauty, and you treat it like it's nothing new, it shocks her system. She starts thinking, why isn't he like the rest? Does he not find me attractive? Am I slipping in his eyes? That's the emotional edge you need. And you can take it even further by being selective with your attention. Give her focus when she earns it. Pull back when she takes it for granted. If she cancels plans or pulls back emotionally, you don't confront her. You don't complain. You match energy with silence. Let her feel the distance. Let her initiate. That reversal is powerful. Here's another layer most guys miss. Don't be overly available. Have your own life, your own schedule, your own mission. Let her feel that she's entering your world, not the other way around. And when she realizes that your world doesn't revolve around her, that's when she starts fighting for a spot in it. Even in conversations, be mysterious. Don't reveal everything. Don't emotionally overshare. Let her guess what you're thinking. Let her wonder what you're feeling. The less she knows, the more she needs to know. And the more she needs to know, the more she chases. Now let's talk about moments of subtle disapproval. This one's a killer. When she says or does something attention-seeking, shallow, or immature, don't laugh it off. Don't validate it. Just look at her, pause, and change the subject. That tiny moment, it plants a seed. Wait, did I just lose points with him? That's powerful. When she starts feeling that her actions matter, that she can't just coast on beauty or charm, she begins to work harder. And once she's working to earn your approval, instead of the other way around, that's when the dynamic shifts completely. But here's the thing, man, this only works if you genuinely believe that you're valuable, that you have options, that you don't need her approval. Because if it's all just an act, she'll feel it. Women are emotional detectives. They can smell insecurity under layers of fake confidence. So this has to be real, grounded, internal. You have to truly believe that not every woman deserves you. That being in your life is a privilege. And when you operate from that place, calm, strong, indifferent when needed, she will start to doubt her value in your eyes without you ever saying a word. And that doubt, it doesn't break attraction, it fuels it. It keeps her engaged. it keeps her invested. It keeps her working for your attention, your approval, your presence. So don't be afraid to pull back. Don't be afraid to create distance. Don't be afraid to let her wander, because when she's questioning how much you value her, she's already decided that your value matters more than hers. And that's how the game is won.